Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage, standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 58. How to clean and go whilst keeping the flow. Server's guiding principle. Adhere to the golden rule, never ever walk with empty hands. Maintain constant movement and purpose. Continuous cleaning and flow. Maintain the flow of activity by alternating between bringing dirty items to the back area and clean items to the front area. This approach ensures that your actions contribute to both cleanliness and service efficiency. Collaborative support. When your station is well organized and managed, extend your assistance to other stations that may need help. Fostering a sense of teamwork ensures a smooth overall operation. Vigilant observation. While transitioning between areas, keep a watchful eye on the tables and guests. Being attentive during movement helps you address any immediate needs or requests. Strategic table management. Maintain awareness of your table sequence of service, predicting your next actions before arriving at the table. This proactive approach enhances your ability to provide seamless service. Thoughtful prioritization. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. This ensures that your actions align with the needs of the moment while maintaining a high standard of cleanliness. Effective communication. Keep open lines of communication with colleagues and supervisors to coordinate activities and address potential bottlenecks. Seamless transitions. As you move between areas, strive to maintain a fluid and unobtrusive presence to avoid disrupting the dining experience. Multitasking expertise. Master the art of multitasking by efficiently juggling cleaning, serving, and observation responsibilities. Consistent training. Train new team members on the principles of efficient movement and cleanliness to ensure a unified approach. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.